Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to create polls into feed section, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So, we grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So, first of all, we have to click on the feed section. So here you will get the poll option to create a poll. So if you want to mention someone and you have to mention something about to create a poll regarding if you are even the into any destination, and if you want to poll from the uh, your company employees, then you can ask the questions and you can directly select your post over there, and they can choose anyone from this options. So you can just ask them to what will be the event destination for the next event, so that they will know that. So they have to select a any one option from these options, and then they can give the poll. So just like that, you can save this and send this to the your employees so that they will poll here. So if you want to take a poll from your employees for any reasons, then you can just click a poll and without asking manually. So so here it is. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.